Crikeys.
I guess we'll be editing this.
Yeah, you can just sing.
What?
You can just sing.
No, I don't even know it.
Oh, it's raining? And I was like, oh yeah, it's good. I got my hat on. Oh my god.
Dad!
We just kind of lost. Okay, this is no. We just voted them off.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah.
You say, like, we vote them on. I'll say, like, and we just decide.
No.
Oh, well,
We can like put you under the tarp or something.
or an umbrella.
There you go.
Well, right now the tarp's over the cigarettes.
Ah!
We really didn't vote anyone off. We just kind of voted them on.
I forgot what I was. 10 people started, but only one's gonna finish. 9 out of every 10 people died from smoking-related causes, like emphysema and lung cancer.
Did you say 10 started?
10 people started, but only one's gonna finish. 9 out of every 10 people 10 people started, but only one's gonna finish. There are 3 left. 9 out of every 10 people died from smoking-related causes, such as emphysema and lung cancer. Tape the fire a couple times too, like in the things.
It doesn't even look real. Man, man, I'm taking the fire.
Oh, sorry. Hold on.
This is my knees. Are you taping it? Hey, I just did the fire.
Whoops! I didn't think they were gonna go so soon. I miss them all. I guess the smoke stopped going on. The signs were so sudden. I didn't expect them to leave so soon. I guess they just couldn't handle life anymore. The smoking really got to them. And I really miss Earl and Mary Jane and Catherine. I didn't expect them to go so soon. The signs were just all of a sudden. They couldn't take their life anymore. It just got to be too stressful. And the emphysema and the lung cancer, it got to them and it killed them. And now there's only 3 of us left. And I missed the other 7. And I really want them to come back, like Earl and Mary Jane. I was so close and friends with them. But it just didn't work out.
One big happy family.
Yeah, one big smoke.
Yeah, smoking.
Danny, open your mouth. Oh, darn it, one go far now. Hi, Amanda.
Zoomed in on you.
That's cam recording.
No, it's not recording.
Crikeys! Danny, what's your funniest moment ever?
Some of your friends.
That was hard. Amanda, what's yours? Have you ever fallen into a pond?
All the time here. I don't get in trouble. You taping?
Accident. Go!
10 people started, but one's only gonna finish. 3 of us are left. 9 out of every 10 people died from smoking-related causes, such as emphysema and lung cancer.
Well, hello.
Hope you know I'm seriously recording. Crikeys. Guys, I bet we have
Let's all
this.
say something. We should play that song too.
Amanda, how's that song go?
Which one?
The one you're just singing? Oh, Amanda.
She's
I'm flipping live! Oh, that's me. Adidas. All day I dream about sports. So, Amanda, do you know any other girl? Come on, sing another. I like your voice.
Who wants to say be a survivor and then everybody else say don't smoke?
Survivor! Ooh.
Nice pants. Nice. They're all wet. I don't know. Crystal Kiss are fun.
Nice recording.
Proud of you.